Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets,
Guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. Come and spend the day with me. Right now, I just finished a live stream. I was doing a live stream. I do my live stream every Wednesday. So I do live stream exercise every Wednesday. And yes, I just finished my workout right now. I want to go shower. I have some things to do, which I'm taking you guys along. I need to go for some grocery shopping and a few other stuff I need to do. So I'll take you guys along, spend the day with me. So the vlog is gonna be like a day in the life of a mom, of a fitness mom. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I want to do cool down now first. After my cool down, then I will go shower and it's the day. So let me do my cool down and I'll see you guys maybe in the shower or when I'm done showering. I am all ready to go out. Yeah, this is me ready to go out. So I'll see you guys in the shopping mall and maybe I'll do haul in another video. We'll see. But anyway, see you guys later. I bought. Okay, so a full video of a haul will be coming up in the channel. Don't want to check it out. So I'm just going to be arranging all of these. I am so hungry, so I'm just going to arrange this, warm my food, and yeah. So this is everything I bought. A full video of the haul will be coming up in the channel. Don't want to check it. I have a hack. I'm going to be measuring it and putting inside different nylon, okay, so that it will last me longer. The last one I did throughout last month, I used the cooking cream and it did not spoil. It was very, very nice. Like Kobe ate a lot of cooking cream last month. But anyway, this one again, I'm going to do the same trick or the same hack I did, because I went to Google and I googled how to preserve cooking cream for a long time, and Google said just divide it in sections and keep it inside the freezer. So far you have constant light, it will last for you. And there have been light, so the whole last month there was light every time and the cooking cream did not spoil. So that's what I'm doing to this one. Anyway guys, let's keep on arranging this stuff. Oatmeal, I'll put it inside this container. The milk and and the sugar, I'm going to keep it like that. So I still have sugar. I still have milk. So when, like I still have small milk here. So when it's exhausted, I will refill. That's what I love doing. I think that place is done. I have plenty bottle for plenty things. Yes, we have salt. Really so fast now. I have the nylon. Don't put it at this line. Just again goes up there. This one I have container like this. This one is here. What else again goes up there? Okay. This one goes here. There's shift.
Every single Saturday, I might be straight out of my mind. Still try to outfly the planes in the sky. All night, go right to my head and fly high like all them private jets. I'm here, then I'm gonna get like Peter Pan, but I might never land. I'm down for you to waste my time. Get back as long as you don't mind. I've been known to live when deeply high like Peter Pan, but I might never land.
It was bending on one side. I like putting the new one under and the old one on top, so that with the old one first of all it's before we shop the new one. So this is the egg for the month. Hopefully it will last. Maybe said 5 months. Oh, this is the blended one. This is blended one. This does not look like the normal oats. No wonder. I was like, what is the difference between this one and the other one? What nonsense is this? Anyway, what's not oats? Because I saw two in the supermarket and I was like, what is the difference between this one? This one and the other one. Not knowing that this one was blended. It's not It's not the chunky oat. It's the blended one. Like it's not this grainy oat like this. It's kind of blended. Like not smoothly blended, but a rough consistency. Anyway, gave me 2 containers. So this one gave me 1, 2. It's good. I'm only no loss. So I'll just keep this here. Today I have to do this juice in the evening. So I don't want this green to change color. This one I will cut slices, like I'll cut this in slices and I'll put it in the freezer to last longer. I need to decide. I have like 4 to 8.5. This is my lunch. I have 2 boiled egg and potato and sausage. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be having for lunch. This food, I made it for Madame Tuesday and go to school. It was the food she used for her school lunch, so it's left. I like to eat it. I've not eaten anything since morning. So this is my first meal of the day. My first and last. Maybe in the night I might just have yogurt and that whatever. That stuff I bought. Maybe. It's so good. The combination together, so good. Mia? Yes. Hope you're not drinking that water, right?
Nicotine and 808s cruising through the Palisades every single Saturday. I might be straight out of my mind, still try to fly the